Hello friends. Now all the elements of the program I have explained meticulously. So what is your job now? You have to first, as I told you, you write the program. Thereafter you type it on notepad. There should not be any mistakes. Very carefully you write readability conventions I explained. From the beginning you follow that. Okay. Thereafter you select a name. Actually, what name is best? Apt marks report. This is the name. You choose whatever name is apt you can give and save it as the Py program. Means Py lowercase. Then it will become a Python program, and on Python IDE you can execute this, execute that. Then you see that when execute it, then it takes the inputs like this. See this screen, actually name of the student, thereafter class number, roll number, subject name, first subject name, first subject marks. In the same manner 5 subject names, the corresponding marks. The dual statements you have written, then you are very rhythmic and highly readable. Then ultimately your output is printed in a nice format. Actually, one thing you must feel you are blessed. On the day one you are able to write solid programs. Day one, with a few hours of your effort, not only writing programs, and parallelly you understood the concepts. So another 3-4 programs I explained, you perform in the same manner, you understand every element. Then and there, one thing to complete this workshop, earmark one day, whenever you are free. Then you may take 5 hours or 6 hours or 10 hours. On the very day you finish off all the programs. One day, definitely it will be a turning point in your programming studies, and ultimately the same technique with the necessary changes you can adopt for learning other programming languages also.